Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create Disney clone using this AI tool called v0.dev. As you know, v0.dev and bold.new are one of the famous tools out on the internet which can help you to create the applications using AI. So now we are using v0.dev, and on v0.dev you can just simply mention create Disney OTT application, use some images from the internet, and it should look same as the original Disney application. So after entering this prompt, it will start analyzing and creating the files. The intention of this video is not to tell everyone that you should create the clones of Netflix and Disney through this AI tool. This is just to demonstrate how far the AI has reached. Earlier, if we had to develop this complex OTT application, we could have taken months and years to build application like this, but now we have this AI. With this tool, literally in just few minutes you can create any kind of complex application. Okay, so let's see. Now it has started writing the files. On the right hand side you can see the entire code. On the left hand side you can see the steps that this tool is following. Okay, so some part of the code I'm going to hide it just to respect the Disney, like some asset it must be using from the internet. I don't know whether that information is good to show to you or now, but just to respect this application I'm going to hide that piece of code from this from the video. So let's see, after just a few seconds we should be able to see the first prototype of our OTT application, and after that if you want to improve we can improve it. So now you can see in just few minutes we have this Disney OTT application output, and it looks amazing. So let me expand this and to show you how it looks right now. So it's loading. Let's just see. Okay, so this has nav bar, this has this main screen as well, and this has small thumbnails as well. So one thing which I didn't like is the this horizontal scroll bars that we have, and overall the user experience. I will mention please improve the user experience, look and feel of this application. So after writing this prompt, what I am expecting, it will just remove those scroll bars, and it will just improve the overall user experience of this application. So after writing this prompt again, so it will start updating the existing file, it will add some new styles, and let's see what it comes up with. And again while the code is getting generated, I am going to just hide some part of the code, just as I mentioned earlier. I don't want to just give the source of the images so that it is visible. I don't know how internally it is working, but let's just see. Like now it is just generating the code, and you can see through the directory it is adding few tsx files, and I think after just 10-15 seconds we should be able to see the application with much more improved and enhanced look and feel. Now here I think we have got one error, so it is prompting us fix with v0. So I'm just going to click on fix with v0, and on the left hand side you can see it has automatically added the information about the error. So from this what we can understand is these tools are smart enough to understand what the errors are there in the terminal, and they are capable of resolving those errors, and they will able to serve the application after resolving these errors that we encounter. So that is also a new thing which we have learned, that even if there are any errors, this tool themselves can resolve those. So here now we have the much more improved version of the Disney Hotstar clone, and here now you can see those scroll bars are also scroll bars are disappeared, and here you can see like this looks amazing. Here also we have some channels as well, like National Geography, Pixar, and all. The nav bar is also there. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.